In this video, I'll show you how to update your Philips Roku TV so you have the last software. To do that, take your remote control, press the home button, and then on the left side, we need to go down until we select settings. All right, once you are on settings, press OK. And now we need to go down in this menu until we get, system. And then go down and select software update right over here, software update. Press OK. And now your TV needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network, because next we're going to press on check now, and the TV will search on the internet to see if there's any update available. Wait a few seconds. And if there is an update, you're going to get this screen, update available, your TV update from version, and then it will give you a number to version with another number. You need to select update now and press the OK button on the remote. The TV will download and install the update by itself. At this point, you simply need to put the remote down and wait. It can take up to 5 minutes, depending how fast your internet speed is. So I will come back when this is done. You can even see the progress here. It's going really well, but yeah, we'll be back when it's done. All right, so it took around 5 minutes. The TV restarted and now it's ready to use since we are on the last update. If you want to update apps, okay, because now we have updated TV, but if an app needs an update, go over the app you want to update. Let's say YouTube. Press the star button on the remote. Select check for updates. And if you get the app is up to date, you don't need anything, you don't need to do anything, but if there's an update, you will be asked to install it, and this is how it's done. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.